So, our next point to be discussed is term marriage or Muta marriage. And before discussing about term marriage or Muta marriage, we would like to discuss the very form or nature of Muslim nikah. So, Muslim nikah is polygamy in nature, but Prophet Muhammad was in favor of monogamy. A normal Muslim marriage is a permanent marriage. Besides, there is a term marriage which is also called as Muta marriage. So, which is recognized by the Ithna Ashari Shias school. Among the Shias, it was much prevalent during pre Islamic Arab society, but Prophet Muhammad held them as unlawful, and during this pre Islamic Arabia society, there were two other forms of marriage like Bina and Bal, which were also a kind of term marriage, and that was also considered by Prophet Muhammad as unlawful. And the Itna Ashari male can marry a female of either Muslim or Parsi or Jew or Christian, but not with a Hindu. But an Itna Ashari female can marry only to a Muslim when the woman is major. Consent of the guardians is not required, but in case of minor, the consent of the guardian is must. And now we'll go to the various conditions for a valid Muta marriage. So, those conditions of a valid Muta marriage are: dower must be specified, and secondly, the period or term must be specified, and out of these two conditions, certain legal incidents of Muta marriage we could derive, such as there is no right of mutual inheritance. So the children are not entitled to maintenance, even the wife, if specifically not stipulated. And if the marriage been consummated, the female is entitled to full dower or mahar, and if not consummated, half of the dower. But if the wife leaves the husband, then the husband would give a proportionate dower. And lastly, if the marriage been consummated, the wife must undergo iddat, and if it is not consummated, then she is not to follow iddat. And children of Muta marriage are considered legitimate, and they inherit the property of both parents. So, these are the various conditions of Muta marriage. And now we'll go to the third one: how it is dissolved, how a Muta marriage is dissolved. So, regarding that, we found the five basic requirements of dissolving a Muta marriage. One is on expiry of the very term or period of marriage as stipulated and specified. And secondly, on the death of either party to a muta marriage. Or thirdly, it may terminate by mutual consent between the husband and wife. And fourthly, by pronouncing one talaq. And lastly, the fifth one, by hiba e muddat, or gift of the term by the husband. So, these are the essential conditions by which a muta marriage can be dissolved. So, the last one, that is hiba e muddat, means gift of the term by the husband to the wife. So, in this way, the muta marriage could be dissolved. And in our next video, we will discuss about permanent marriage or nikah.